past the garage or the town.
Yeah.
The little town. I'm not too sure what's ahead.
After 800 yards, take the exit 11 towards Stavro.
Maybe to
Take the exit.
a few cold frosties. Well, I don't know if you'll see it. Just
Well, we've got plenty of time on our hands.
most of the scenery is stunning here.
Yeah.
After 400 yards, go right on the roundabout, first exit,
Now, this is the
N62,
confusing part, driving on the
N68,
right.
then turn left.
Are you taking first exit?
Beware camera ahead.
Oh, I see.
Nothing
Okay.
changed. So
Okay, I'm with you. First exit. She's showing you right.
Turn left, N68.
Okay, I see. But you're getting used to it. Just the whole body position isn't natural.
Yeah. But this is where the old section of the circuit links up with the new section. There's a twisty bit from the old section of the old circuit. They used to come along here. Now, can you imagine going along here at what,
Beware
180,
camera
200
ahead.
miles an hour? Look at it, it's just trees. No protection for them. Just going hell for leather.
Beware camera ahead.
Oh, this is the old village here. See, I played this on the computer game, and I can recognise these buildings and things like that. The buildings have been around since the 20s.
Okay.
Like I say, you're coming along here, and there's a building. Okay, that one's fairly new. No, it's not.
Beware camera ahead.
That's who we're camping in there.
Okay.
There was one little side road there, but next to the main road.
After 500 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Have you looked at it out with the sat nav? Okay. Does all. No.
We could have actually gone further on and just taken another route, but this one is coming through the actual farmlands,
Okay.
which I mean, just look at it, it's just awesome. Remember, if the car comes in the
After
opposite direction,
300
I
yards,
must duck right
turn
there.
left.
Is there a building here? Oh, look newish. Father said some of his land.
Turn left, store. After 200 yards, you have reached your destination.
Uh-huh. recognize it.
You have reached your destination.
This reception should be around here somewhere. There. Close to it. Just do a U. See, we would have come out off that one.
Right,
Back in the next turning. Just thought I'd go for the scenic route.
Welcome.
Oh. I'm assuming we can just park over here.